All right, so we just got this great standing electric desk all put together. If you want to see some assembly steps on this, stay to the end of the video and you can check that out as well. All right, so we got it built. Not too bad, pretty easy assembly. Instructions are really clear. So we've got a lot of surface area here. I'll give you an exact measurement. So we are talking 23 3/4 wide, and the length on this is 47 1/4. So plenty of room. Got my computer set up. You're gonna have your cable management running right through here. And if you want to go down on the front there, you're gonna see a little basket that's hanging there. So if you want to put a power strip in there, you could put a power strip. So you have the option to plug in a lot of different things you're gonna have on your desk. So I have a little stool that I sit at when I'm sitting down, and when I'm sitting down, the desk height, so this is the lowest the desk goes, and that's going to be 29 inches high. You can see over here we have some more areas where you can hang things. So you can put this here, you can move it over here, and you have two on the other side as well. So I have my headphones there. And then if you want to come around the front here, you're going to see our little control panel. You're going to have 3 settings. So to manually do this, you're just going to hold the plus button, stop it wherever you want. But I've programmed these 3 and I'm going to show you that. So when you get this to the height you want, you're going to hold one of the buttons and the memory at the same time, and it's going to flash. So I have this one set. Let's go to 3. That one's going to bring it all the way down. And then I have 1. So it's nice to be able to hit that, walk away from it, let it set where it's going to set. And then we have 1. Which one? Okay, sorry, 2. That's going to bring it all the way up. I'll probably set them in a better order. 1 being the lowest, 3 being the highest, but just for an example for the video here, I'll show you how high this goes. So 46 1/4 inches. So very high. Comes up to my chest. So probably don't need it this high, but it would probably work great for somebody that's 7 foot tall. So really nice. Can do a lot of things with this. Standing height for me would probably be about right here. So very comfortable, great way to stretch your legs, sit down. I'm 5'10", so you can see this is great. I love it. And when you can bring this all the way up to run all your cable management, so you're not down on your knees doing that. And they're going to give you some Velcro straps to help you tie up cables and stuff like that. So everything you need, all in one, great desk. And I really want to thank the company for sending this out to us. This thing is awesome. Absolutely love it, and couldn't be happier with it. Absolutely amazing table. I thought I'd show you a couple of the steps of assembling and putting this together. First of all, you're going to get the top, which is in 3 sections, and this is 24 by 48. To start off with this, you're going to have some wood dowels. Those are going to help you keep this aligned and keep it sturdy. Line these up with the holes, and you're going to get these metal brackets. You're going to place one there and one there. They include your tools for everything, but if you have a drill and the right bit, it makes work a lot faster. Take that. So we've gotten to this part. You're going to notice when you get this, you're going to have this side pre-attached because this piece is only so long, so it needs to be that length coming out so these can lock down on it. And you're not going to tighten those yet. You're not going to tighten these two until you get everything lined up over here. It's going to be 2, 4, 6, and the same over here, 2, 4, 6. Then you can go ahead and tighten these up and go ahead and get these things screwed in, and then you're going to put this bar right here is what's going to raise and lower the desk. So I'll show you how to put that in too. So we got our legs and support assembly installed. So this piece here You can see these two little metal pieces. I recommend inserting this side first. So push that in there, and you're gonna push it until that meets all the way. Take this end, slide it down till it connects there. Then you're gonna twist this down. That's gonna lock this piece from sliding out. So twist that down, and that's it. That's how easy that part is to put in. All right, and the final part of the assembly is gonna be your controller here, which you're gonna have two pre-drilled holes. It's gonna say right over here where you're gonna put that. It's gonna be lined up with the motor. You're gonna put that in, and you're gonna plug your motor right into the back of that. Plug that in. You're gonna get some Velcro to help you with your cable management, so you can run the cables so that you do not see those. Nice clean installation. You're gonna get a cable management little cage right here. You've got these 4 hooks, so you can attach this here, once you get it flipped over. You're also gonna get these accessory hooks to put on either side to hold headphones, whatever else you wanna hang from those.